Hey guys, it's Mickey. Welcome to my channel. And if you're just into my channel, please subscribe, turn on the notification bell so as to be notified each time is an update coming from me. So someone actually gave a comment. This comment is actually very funny. That's why I said I should talk about it. She said, if you don't come back with the 1 liter and the 500 ml, I'm not going to purchase the oil anymore. No wahala, don't purchase. Because you don't expect me to run at a loss because you want to buy it in 1 liter. You can buy in the small quantity it comes in and still get 1 liter out of it. That is 5 pieces of it. You get 1 liter. But saying I should bring back the 1 liter, the 500 ml for the price it was, it's not possible because the market value is not the same. All right. I wish I could, but I can't do it. See, I had to cut down prices for my wholesalers as well. I'll put it on the screen so you guys see it. All right. I had to sit down to do that. It's not that the profit margin is a lot there, but I had to do it because of my wholesalers who tend to buy in bulk, so they can buy 50 pieces. Did I even give 25 pieces? I'll check. 50 pieces. I think we should also slash down for 25 pieces. Okay, so we're trying to work around it. It's not easy. It's not very easy at all. Right? If you're buying 10 pieces, we cannot give out anything, but we'll see what we can do, because it's not. Even if you want to give down from 10 pieces, 10 pieces is not wholesale now. 10 pieces is like you're buying 2 liters. And 2 liters, you don't term it as wholesale. From 3 liters, yes, that is, let's say, 15 pieces. We can try with 15 pieces. But 10 pieces, I don't think we can in our Lemeki Skin Body Oil. I don't think we can, right? Because you should also consider us. Yes, we're striving hard to give you a very good product that is going to be lovely on your skin. Apart from being lovely on your skin, that's also it's not going to damage your skin. That is what we strive for. So we end up buying products that are really expensive to inculcate it and make this product out of it. All right, because it won't cost us anything to actually devalue the quality of the product. But we do not want to devalue the quality, hence why we now brought it out in just 200 ml. All right, please understand that the quality is still the same and even the quantity is the same. All right, the only thing was that we changed the container into making only in 200 ml. I'm begging you. All right, so anyways, we want to do comparison between our honey scrub and our coffee scrub. Okay, most people are asking questions about the coffee scrub and the honey scrub, if they are the same. They are not the same. All right, this is a whitening body scrub that helps to firm up the skin, that helps to lighten the skin. This lightens the skin. That also helps in opening the pores and allowing whatever product you're using to work. And this contains sugar. Okay, they actually both contain sugar, but this one contains combination of sugar and salt. Okay, now this is honey. Not everybody rolls with honey. I don't roll with honey, but this can be used on the face alongside the body. Coffee scrub, it is only the liquid part that can be used on the face. You cannot use the granules on the face. But in this case, you can use both of them on the face because of what it contains inside. It makes it mild to be used on the face and the body. All right. Now, they are both used 3 times a week if you want to. And if you want to limit it to 2 times a week, no problem. If you now say, I want my lightning to sharp, you want to use it every day, no problem. But we don't advise you exfoliate every day, except you're having skin issues like you're having body spots. All right, but if you're having body spots caused by probably bad water, change of environment, we don't mind advising you to exfoliate every time, right? Because when you do that, it quickly sheds off your dead skin cells and it helps in treating body spots as well, right? Most people won't know this, but yes. Okay, once you exfoliate on a regular, if you have body spots, it fades off your body spots quickly before you know it. All right, so this doesn't actually whiten compared to this. This is actually for skin lightening. This is just for maintenance. All right, and also meant to glow up your skin. That is what this does. This is meant to lighten the skin. Okay, so in case you actually want to get our honey scrub, very lovely, very good for people with mature skin. Really, really good. You will be able to enjoy this. Right now, this is for our sisters, even our mothers that want to lighten and at the same time firm up the skin. This has got you. All right, so I wanted to put that out there so you guys will start understanding our product. You will not just come to my store and say, I want to buy this. If I buy this, would I see this? I want to see Mickey. Without seeing Mickey, you should know what you want to buy. Okay, it's not every time I want to see Mickey, I want to see. Sometimes Mickey is always caught up with work, and sometimes when you come and Mickey says, oh, I'm busy, you shouldn't take it as an offense. There was a lady that came to my store, and she came to meet me. She came to the store and she was asking for me. She didn't want to talk to any of my staff. She said, no, I must see Mickey, I must see Mickey. And Mickey's avoiding me, Abi. I am not avoiding anybody. I need to explain what the things I do. For small business owners like this, we the CEOs, we do a lot of things. A lot. All right? It's just, now laugh, we say they take, hide everything. One, apart from creating content, I have to edit the content. Editing takes hours. Sometimes editing takes a whole day. And I might edit the video and I might not like the video, I might just delete the video because it didn't turn out the way I wanted it to turn out. That's how bad it is. I still have a website that I manage. Most of the write-ups on my website, I do that. Most of the product I had someone that was putting out my product, but I didn't like the content he was putting out. Even if the person wanted to put out the content, I still have to explain the content he will put out. So that is time consuming. Why don't I put out the content myself? All right. Most of all the videos on my product, the product videos of models, modeling, I do those things myself. So it's a lot of job, a lot. And I have staffs who can attend to you. I've educated my staffs on some of my products. All right. That's why I take my time to come on YouTube to talk about this product. It's not that I don't want to see people. There's a lot of work on my table, unattended. All right. Now imagine you want to also get a new store. It's crazy. Moving from here to this place, it's a lot of work. So when you come and you say you want to see Mickey, I know you want to see me and you want to speak to me. You need recommendations. Yes, it is good. All right. Maybe I'll find time for consultation. So I think I'll put out there maybe on Tuesdays or Wednesday for just strictly consultation. So you guys can call in or you can actually come to the store for consultation. Probably want to move to our new store. I think I'll walk around there. I'll find out how to balance my calendar. But it's not so easy on my part. It is not. Right? Please, I want you guys to bear with us. Please. Alright? I don't like a situation where you come to the store, you want to see Mickey. If you don't see Mickey, you're not buying anything. No, you can share journal. But you should also be able to understand that I am everywhere. Everywhere. Most of those content you see out, I put them out. Nobody puts them out. I don't have someone handling my social handles. No. Right? Yes, someone handles WhatsApp, but there's barely nothing they do there. They only reply. Right? There's someone that handles my website reply as well. But most times I do most of all the websites, write-ups, blog posts. I do all that. It's a lot of work. It's a lot. Okay, so please bear with us. Okay, I'm begging. And so I'm gonna see you guys in my next YouTube video.